what can someone expect if they move here to Leucadia? Almost everything. It's a great community. This home is a resort-style home. You really never have to leave. Once you're here, you're in the right place. When you pull onto the property, first of all, you'll notice it's not only beautiful, but immaculate. When you walk in the front door, you walk right into the living room. It's open, it's airy. You just look to your right and there's an incredible pool. Beautiful spa, outdoor kitchen, fireplace, seating area. Everything that you could want is just on the other side of those huge glass doors. The kitchen is an entertainer's delight. Every high-end appliance you could ever want. A really fun party sink, which is great for when you're having a party. When you exit the kitchen and you come into this more informal living area, is an interesting story. The architect got some ideas for this space in the home by visiting the Four Seasons, I think, in Hawaii. And you get that feel sitting in here. There's so many different things you can do. All of it feels very unified that the architect not only aimed for, but achieved. On the second level, there's a room that's currently being used as an office, but could certainly be a media room. Likewise, there's 2 additional bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath, a little bit of ocean view, very resort feeling. But then you come to the master. The view, when you walk in the master, it will take your breath away. The bathroom is like one of the prettiest spas you've ever been in. Again, that same Four Seasons feeling. Huge walk-in closet, as you would expect in a home like this. So you have this beautiful 3-car garage. It's immaculate. And right above the garage, you go up a staircase and you come across this beautiful guest house. It's detached, so it definitely has its own space, and an outdoor deck with the dining is really quite stunning. The new owners of this home are going to experience so much more than just a beautiful resort-style home and an incredible community. I just know it holds years of treasures for its new owners.